Hello there. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can add your Dash of Direct virtual card to your Apple Wallet. It's very easy thing to do. First, when you've got your Dash of Direct card, what you have to do first, open your Apple Wallet app. Then after opening your Apple Wallet app, you will see the plus icon here. Just tap on it, and then if you already have add a card, you will see there add a different card. Or if you didn't already one, then you will see here add card option. Then you can scan it through your device, or you can enter card details manually. If you want to enter card details manually, just tap on it, then tap your name, your card number, expiration date, and your security code. And after putting your Dasher Direct card details, it will be added to your Apple Wallet, and that's it. That's how you can add your Dasher Direct virtual card to your Apple Wallet. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to give a like and subscribe for more tech tips like this.